Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use a gamma stringing machine. First, carefully place your racket onto the machine's 6-point mounting system, ensuring it is centered and stable. Secure the clamps firmly to prevent any movement during the stringing process. Next, set your desired string tension on the machine's control panel. A common range for recreational players is between 50 and 60 pounds, but this can vary based on your preference. Now, let's string the main strings. Start from the center of the racket and work outwards, alternating sides. Feed the string through the grommets, then engage the machine's gripper to pull the string to your preset tension. Once the tension is reached, immediately secure the string with a clamp close to the grommet. This ensures consistent tension across the entire main string bed. Next, we move to the cross strings. Carefully weave each cross string over and under the main strings, ensuring a neat pattern. Pull each cross string to your desired tension. Many players prefer a tension 2 to 3 pounds lower than their main strings for a softer feel. Clamp the string firmly after each pull to maintain that precise tension. To finish, tie off the final 2 cross strings using secure knots, typically a starting knot and a finishing knot. Carefully inspect the entire string bed for any missed weaves, loose strings, or uneven tension. Once you are satisfied with your work, gently release the racket from the machine's mounting system. Your racket is now freshly strung and ready for play.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.